Congratulations to Nancy Umeh, aka the pot seller. Yes, so what pot seller cannot do does not exist. Wow, her husband, Shita Umeh, just gifted her a brand new 2022 car. This car is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, this is amazing. Congratulations, Nancy. Hey, see what his husband do for his wife. Hey, see brand new car. See brand new car. See pot seller. Pot seller. Pot seller. Look at you. Brand new car. People when they say, hey, pot seller, pot seller. But when I can't see what pot seller husband do for pot seller. Brand new car. Brand new car. 2022 latest car. Congratulations, Nancy. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by. If you are new here, you are welcome to Mommy D Entertainment TV. And please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching.
Small town with no one stranger, but I'm the one brand new. Met all of my neighbors, but just...
May God bless your husband, Nancy Umeh. May God bless him. May God continue to provide for him. May God bless his business. And may God bless your family. Enjoy your new car, Nancy Umeh. Congratulations once again. And you are an amazing sister, a big sister to Cora, Obidi. The love you showed to her, the way you supported her during her divorce. Nancy, you are a big sister. Thank you so much for supporting your sister, Cora Obidi. And you deserve this car. Your husband knew that you deserve it. That's why he decided to gift you this beautiful, amazing car. Congratulations once again, Nancy. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for Nancy. Wow. Look at pot seller. Hey, they call her, hey, pot seller, pot seller. Make una come see wetin pot seller husband do for pot seller. Make una come see wetin pot seller husband do for pot seller. Wow, this car is beautiful. I love this color. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell, and wish her a big congratulations. Okay, bye guys. Bye-bye.
Small town with no one stranger.